Welcome back to Miven Charts. This video is about my TradingView indicator and I named it as MSV Predator because this indicator is built on the confluence of moving averages, liquidity concept and the candlestick confirmations. It is not just a signal generator, it is a complete trading framework. So let's see what all we have on this indicator. The ticker on the chart is SPY on the daily time frame. As mentioned already, the indicator name is Moving Average V Predator. Let me add it to the chart. So this is how it plots the signal. So what all comes with this indicator? Go to the settings. So it has four options. One is show moving averages. By default, this is unchecked. So if we check, this will just plot the 20 EMA, the 200 SMA. The blue line is the 20 EMA, and the green line is the 200 SMA. And as we mentioned, this is not just a signal generator. It's a complete trading framework. So it comes with a default risk to reward level for each of the opportunities. Either it's a long entry or it's a short entry. So this candle marked with the text buy or sell are the long and short entries respectively. The small red line is the stop loss, which comes with this default risk reward setup. This navy blue is 1:1 risk to reward. The small green is the 1:2 risk to reward. Likewise for the short entries also. The next option is swing levels and FEG. So for each long or short entries, the indicator marks the nearby FEG as well as the swing low or swing high levels. If you don't prefer to use the default risk to reward comes with the indicator, you may use this nearby liquidity levels like this FEG or the swing low or high as a stop loss. It depends on your risk appetite. The last option is the higher time frame trend alignment filter. This is an optional filter included to reduce noise and improve the signal quality by aligning with the higher time frame market direction. It may reduces the number of opportunities, but it strengthens the overall trend confluence. So at least it is advisable to use this filter in the lower time frames like 5 minutes or 15 minutes. So these are the four options comes with the indicator. Now let's see how to use this indicator. First thing is patience, because the indicator starts plotting the signal as soon as the candle starts meeting the strategy criteria. But one should wait for the candle to completely close to validate the entry, because we don't know how the candle will close at the end. So especially on the 5 minutes or 15 minutes or 1 hour, we should wait for the candle to completely close before taking an entry. But on the daily time frame, we can take the entry during the last 5 minutes of the session. Or it's better to wait for the candle to close and take the trade on the next day. The market don't go anywhere. So for example, if you take this entry, the next day it was a small red candle. So the person who waited for the next day would have entered with a bargained price. Except scenarios like this, when the next day caps up and continues with the previous day's uptrend, most of the times it will at least come to the previous day close or high. So patience is very important. And the small red line, the stop loss. The small blue is the 1:1 risk to reward. Small green, the 1:2 risk to reward. Whichever the risk to reward setup, either the one comes with the indicator or your own risk to reward levels, you should stick to that. So the stop loss is decided while entering the trade itself. Don't ever change the stop loss once it is hit. And the stop loss is hit only when a candle completely strikes through the stop loss level and closes below if it is on long entry and closes above if it is on short entry. Wicks piercing the stop loss level do not count. This prevent unnecessary exits caused by the volatility. So these are all the things about the indicator, and it works on all time frames: 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, hourly, daily. So let's quickly watch today's intraday price action on 5 minutes time frame just to get the feeling about the indicator. This is the first 5 minutes candle, and these were the signals it generated in yesterday's intraday level, and targets are met for all these entries. Let's just replay it from today's first 5 minute candle. First entry signal, first target met. There it signaled another entry. So one can move the stop loss here. Both the targets are met. Another one. Another one. Both the targets are met now. So this is how the signals will be created during the live session. And this previous day high and previous day low levels are displayed only on the 5 and 15 minutes time frame, just for the intraday traders. So as mentioned already, this is not just a signal generator. It's a complete trading setup with the risk to reward levels and the nearest liquidity levels like swing low, swing high, and fair value gaps. If someone wants to adjust the stop loss and their risk to reward based on their price action skill and their risk appetite and the position sizing. So this indicator is going live for the 2 weeks of free trail from tomorrow, that is from July 1st. So if anyone would like to try it out during this 2 weeks of free trial, please DM me your TradingView username. So I can grant you access. So you can add the indicator into your favorite tickets and backtest with the historical data to get an understanding before start using it. So please DM me your TradingView username to try it out and share me your feedback. Thank you very much for watching.